Give me 63 seconds and I will destroy the lie that's keeping you broke. You do not need a great business idea to win. What you need is a business model that already makes money and then the guts to go all in. I've built an 8-figure business doing exactly this, not by inventing anything, but by copying what already works. And this is why I love franchising. And if you're the kind of person who says, just show me how to make money and I will do it, then franchising was built for you. Now, most people waste years chasing for the perfect business idea, thinking that if they wait long enough, something brilliant will just hit them, but it won't. And you don't need brilliance. You need a vehicle to make money, a proven one. Now, most people hear franchise and they think fast food, McDonald's, but it's way more than that. It's in home services, senior care, pet care, salons, automotive, B2B services, and so much more. You name the industry, there's probably a franchise printing money right now. So it's not about original, it's about execution, then duplicating. Good luck out there.